are the processes. Yes, the first process, the second process. Just fast, because people out there now, if they see this video, some people don't know about Waina. Most of my viewers are from Europe and USA. So if they see it now, what is this? What are you even eating? So I want you to just tell me, let me see the procedure, the processes.
I think doing that, it seems like I'm teaching some people.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Come on, I learned. I paid to learn it. I can't go and free.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking. So today I'll be disclosing the recipe that is needed to make masa at home or anywhere or anyhow you want to. Waina or masa can be prepared plain or sweetened. Waina is a slightly fermented rice meal that is eaten with Nigerian soup like miyan toshe and groundnut soup. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make masa. I posted a video about a guy selling masa or waina and people have been asking me what are the processes or how can they make masa. Masa is one of the most trending food in northern part of Nigeria and the world. It is loved and appreciated by millions of people. It is yummy and superb. I did an interview with a masa seller and got the detail of the amazing step that you need to take. The ingredients needed are white rice, that is masa rice, yeast, baking powder, flour, or let me say flour as per Nigeria, sugar and salt. To make waina is very easy, or let me say simple but technical. First of all, you need to soak your white rice in water for 6 hours. Parboil normal rice in water. Drain it and mix it with the rice. Add baking powder and flour. Stir very well. Add yeast. Close the container and keep it in a warm place to be doubled in size. Add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. If it's too thick, add water. If it's too watery, add flour. If it's okay, leave it. Heat up the thunder, or let me say the pot for the waina or the container for the waina. Add up oil and apply your waina. If the waina, that is the first side, is okay, you have to turn it so that the other side will be, let me say, dark or let me say brownish like this. So voila, your waina is ready.
You can see I just supported this guy's business. He's a very hardworking guy. So guys, if you want to learn about northern food and let me say northern street food and about northern stories, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, drop your comments and opinion about this video on the comment box below. You know the hustle will support passion, support passion and love for hustle. So I'm going to tell this way now and tell you how the thing feels. I'm going to tell you my opinion, my view about this food.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Guys, it's very good. You guys can tell.